Hi, this is Aki. Now I'm gonna introduce a Japanese vending machine today. So let's see. So there is a vending machine in Japan. A lot of my friends come from America, and then the first thing they told me is like vending machine everywhere in Japan. Well, it's not everywhere, but you see a lot of vending machine in Japan. Let's see. Okay. There are many different kinds of drinks, but the thing is there is no English. You see the blue is like cold, and red is hot, and yellow is room temperature. Nantene. Actually blue is really like cold, and this season it's already hot, so they don't have any red sign, but during winter you see like the red is hot drink. So, and there is a paper things, I don't know how to say, paper pack or whatever. And let's see, so this is the green tea, and as you see, Fanta, Coke, Diet Coke, and this is tea. And in Japan they have like mini bottle. See, it's mini. It's a big, and this is mini. And usually the price is like 120 for a can, and then plastic bottle is like 150, and the mini plastic bottle is like 120. Okay, and this is paper, so it's like 110, a little bit cheaper. Okay, I'm gonna buy. Okay, I think I'll show you Japanese yen now. This, obviously it's 100 yen. It's like $1 now. And let's see. This is 10 yen. So kind of hard to see, but 10. It's kind of 10 cents in a dollar. Okay, so just put here. And I'm gonna get the yogurt. Okay, I got it. So, okay, so I'll see you again soon. Bye.